Hello guys, today is Friday and just USA session started. Only session USA is running now. London is over, but I'm here today to show you the new latest manual. This is manual strategy and most probably the best manual strategy for swing trading or for scalping, but mostly for swing trades, for Forex, of course. This is Forex strategy. So it maybe looks similar to some previous systems, but it is not. It is maybe some elements are similar, but totally different strategy, different settings, and some very new things here. I tried to make it as simple as it is, so everybody can use it, even people which just started to use Forex, and also advanced one. Advanced ones, of course, will get more from this strategy, get more trades, and can use the system fully. But for beginners, also very simple, and practically you cannot miss. You cannot take a wrong trade if you just following the rules I will explain, which are very simple. This strategy will be available in next I don't know, in next few days, maximum next at the end of next week, because I have to make some additional things about it. But in fact, it's 95% ready, and in the system it will not be any changes, just protection things and security things. So how to use it? If you know, I really like to use two arrow system, and here we also have a two arrow system. Why? Because this is swing trading. The pink one arrows are remember that are not to be traded. You do not use pink arrows to trade. They are just signs. They are showing you that the market, that the price is reaching some peaks. So here in this case, it shows us that the market, the buyers, is touching the peak, and from this place, it is a high probability that the market will swing, will turn to another direction. So from bullish to bearish conditions. So from buyers, the sellers will take control. So this is the only what the pink arrows are showing. So pink arrows, remember, can repaint. So if maybe the pink arrow can appear here, but after a while it will move up until this, because we do not know what is the peak moment, what is the highest moment, overbought moment, until it comes. So when it comes, it stays. Then when it stays like this, then you are waiting for a white arrow, and white arrows are remember, 100% not repainted. They are fully not repainted. They are not removing, disappearing, or anything else. And you will trade only with white arrows, but only after the pink arrow, and only in the direction of the pink arrow, and only in the direction of the trend. You will see later what I'm talking about. So, first rule, wait for a pink. Then, wait for a white arrow. You do not trade with pink, only with white. Then, this, you see this line, and the candle must be in the same color, so in red as it is here. So if you have a white arrow and the candle and this line in the red, it is 90% confirmed trade. Why I say 90%? To be 100% sure that it will go in down in bearish direction, so down, you will look here. So at the moment when you get arrow, you will see that this is the Neuro prediction indicator. This indicator predicts future, remember, future movement of the price according to past calculations. So you can see for 2021, you see 21 candles in advance the projection of the price. So in this moment you will see about, I don't know, about until here. So that's what you will see. You will see the line is showing this position. So now you have 100% confirmed. So why I said 90%? Because with these settings, when you have pink and white and a red candle and red line, you can take a trade. But this trade can be only maybe one candle, two candles, three candles. With this, you can see the future, 20 candles in future, the movement. So it's very important when you take a trade, when you take some stop loss, take profit elements. So this is it. I maybe talk too much. I cannot erase it, but let it be. So in that case, when you take this trade, you can see you can make there are two ways how to take profit line, take profit exit. The first is if you see the two candles, the opposite color, blue and the blue color. So here you can exit with 55 pips. Or more advanced, you can wait until the next opposite arrow. It can be white arrow in opposite direction or pink. So you can take it until here. 200 pips. I will explain more on this. So this example shows us also pink, we do not trade. Then we get white arrow and the candle is blue, so buy candle, and this line is blue. So here and here we are taking a confirmation of this Neuro Turbo, and it will show us that yellow line goes deep over the white. This is very important, And very important is how much is it going near the line or higher and higher. So in next you will see this yellow until here. And you can see then that the price is really in future is the predictor is telling us that the price will go up next 21 candles. So it means many hours. This is 4-hour time frame. So it means 80 hours or 3 days it will go up. And you can take a trade here and you can keep it until here when you have a red line and a red candle, 2, or until the next opposite arrow. The first next opposite arrow is here, this white. So this is the sign you can exit. Or if you're really very advanced and a risky trader, you can keep it until the next peak, until the next pink arrow, and this is the final position you will exit. So if you are more risk and more advanced, you can trade from white to pink and then from white to pink to get the most pips you can with one trade. You see, with this trade you can make hundreds of pips in only one trade. This strategy I'm only using, not only, but in 90% cases in 4-hour time frame, because it works the best. I get the very best number of signals. You can use it on daily or maybe on 1 hour, but on daily it's not so many signals, but you can use the same system on daily. Let's see one daily chart. You see, but you will get every candle is 1 day. So when you see this, or if we are using the same strategy, so you wait for a pink and you do not trade with pink. I repeat, do not trade with pink. You must, after pink, you must get white, and here you see when the white arrow came, you check down, and what you will see, the yellow line, the Neuro Turbo future predictor is going for the next 20 candles. You see, next 20 candles is showing us deep bullish direction. So we are very sure that at least until this it will go down. So you can take the trade until the next white. This is when you can exit, or as you said before, from pink to pink. If you trade from pink to pink, from white to pink, you will make here 500 pips. Or if you have traded here from a white arrow until pink, you will get 400. So this is very simple. This indicator helps a lot because this is not repainted, you see, and really shows the very good prediction. So 4 hours are very good. Let's see this fantastic trade. You see, we get pink, we do not trade. We get white, yes, we had a red candle, red line, and from here we can keep it until pink, 270 pips. You see what is Neuro Turbo future prediction showing? Next 20 candle, you see the down direction. Very simple. Also, you can use it on other. You see this one, or I also can use it. You can also use it on 1 hour time frame, but I repeat, 4-hour time frame is the best for swing trades. Also, daily charts also very good as 4-hour, but much less signals. You will have to wait much more for a trade. If you want to get maybe more trades, use 1-hour time frame. The same rules, all the same. Here I can show you one good example. So you see here we have a pink arrow, we do not trade. Then we have red, and we can trade, but we'll exit here if we want. If we exit and we get another white signal, we will take it again. Why? Because it is still in the trend direction. So this is a peak. This is a peak. This is overbought price here. And after that, we are in the downtrend, and all signals down, white arrows with down, with put, we can trade. We will not take this white, but we will take this, which is showing sell, because the peak is overbought and this is showing sell. So from here, we can take it until the pink and make 300 and something pips, or $3,000 or something with one, the value of lot size 1. So it's really interesting, but it's really profitable, and it is the winning strategy. This is really something special, probably one of the best manual swing trading systems. So this is swing system which works for Forex on higher time frame. Also, what I forgot to say, but you can see it, you have these lines, support and resistance lines. You see this one, when the price comes until this ticker line, you can expect reversal or swing like here, like here, like here, or and so. This is another tool which can help you to make a decision. But the basic rules I have explained. Pink arrow, do not trade. This is only a warning, information that the peak is here. Then you wait for a white. For sell, you need a red candle, red line. For buy, blue line and blue candle, confirmed with this future prediction indicator, which predicts 20 candles in future what you will have to expect with price direction. You see this, and now it's going up, so we can expect we have a peak here. This is going up, and we need a white arrow to take a trade. So guys, I hope you are satisfied with this fantastic new strategy. It will be available next week. If you have some interest or need some info, or maybe you want to pre-order these systems, because always, as you know, I offer for pre-orders very special price, even 30 to 40% lower than it will be a regular price later. Just contact me on my email below. And I wish you a nice weekend. See you next week. Bye bye.